Third phase is design, perform, and evaluate test of controls. A test of controls is an audit procedure to test the effectiveness of a control used by a client entity to prevent or detect material misstatements. Depending on the results of these tests, auditors may choose to rely upon a client system of controls as part of their auditing activities. However, if the test reveals that controls are weak, the auditors will enhance their use of substantive testing, which usually increases the cost of an audit. Procedures for test of controls. First, make inquiries of appropriate client personnel. Auditor questions employee performing control and management about review of the control. It is the least reliable source of evidence but still appropriate. For example, second, examine documents, records, and reports. Trace from reconciliation to accounting records or to other documents. Auditor examine reconciling items to determine whether reconciliation detects error and action to deal with errors. For example, HR manager signs the payroll as evidence of her review before the payroll is finalized and the checks are issued. Third, observe control-related activities. Auditor observe actual control being performed. However, employee might be more diligent during observation. For example, auditor observed the cashier perform sales transactions and notes that the cash register will not open unless a sale has occurred. Lastly, re-perform client procedures. Test ensures the integrity of the control. For example, perform reconciliation. Recalculate the sales commissions paid on a sample of sales transaction. Extent of procedures. If lower access control is required, more tests of controls needed, such as reliance on evidence from prior year's audit, testing of controls related to significant risk, testing less than the entire audit period.